Hello students, in this video we see how we can send multiple values with the help of QueryString. In previous tutorial or in previous video we have seen how we can pass the values from one page to another page by using QueryString. Here there is a login page, and if we click on login, then we are passing this username value and role value as well as role value. Here we are passing username value and as well as role value. Okay, so how we can do this means how we can pass the two values with the help of QueryString we see in this video. Now here see here uname is equal to the variable's value uname we are passing. This is the first parameter, or this is the first value, and after first key value pair we need to use @ ampersand symbol, and second value if we want to pass the role value, then we can pass the role value like this, the variable role. Inside role variable there is a value of role and uname we are using. In two key value pairs we use @ symbol. So in this way we can pass the multiple values with the help of QueryString. In this QueryString get request is used, and if you want to pass 3-4 values, then we again use @ symbol and symbol here, not @ but and symbol, and again give the next key value pair, then and symbol, then again key value pair. In this way we can pass the multiple values with the help of QueryString to another page. These value we can access only this default.aspx and only first time. If we are directly accessing the default.aspx page, then we are not accessing these values, but when this statement will be executed, only that time only we can access these username and role values. Okay, now to access these values, where we are accessing these values, default.aspx is the admin's page, so site.master.cs, here we are getting this first username QueryString value. Here there are two values, so I am using and. Second condition also we are checking for the role. If role is also not equal to null, then we attach this username with the role string, role as, where the role is stored inside this QueryString. Only we need to change the key value, which is role here. So here with the username, role also we are displaying on the master page. So this is, now we run this application and see what is the effect. Here I am giving the credentials and click on login, then welcome username role admin is displayed in front of me. Okay, but when we go towards the next URL, means now my URL is changed. Okay, and this is default.aspx, same default aspx page is displayed, but first time we are passing the QueryString values, and at this time there is no any QueryString values, so the username and role is not displayed at this time. So if you want to display the username all the time, whatever the user click on menus or any content page is displayed here, but this username is compulsory displayed. Such functionality if you want, then use session variable instead of query string, because query string we use only one time. Okay, only one time and only in that page. We can't access that query string in another page. Okay, we can access this query string inside only requested page. Okay, now we change these statements and opening the session code here, and I'm saving this, and again on login I'm not passing these query string values, only I'm saving the values inside session. Now what is the effect? See, we are going towards the login page now. If I'm giving username and password and click on OK, then there is username. If I go towards the about button, then home, then about, compulsory username is displayed. When user click on logout, only at that time we are going out. If I am changing the credentials as Ramesh Party, then this is the Ramesh page. There is only one page. So this is about the query string. So you need to clear query string is client based state management, whereas session is server side server based state management, and all the client based state management are less secure than server based state management, because inside query string we can see easily the value on this bar or URL. So if it is sensitive or private or secure information, then we can't use query string. Instead of, we can use, if there is a private information and sensitive information we are passing from one page to another page, then we are not going towards we are not using this query string concept. Instead we use a session. Also, if we want to access the session or if we want to access the value on all the pages, then we go towards the session variable, because query string we are not accessing inside all the pages, but only a request we can get where response came, means only at this time. Inside login we are passing this query string, and only at that time only we are accessing that query string values, and not all the times. So this is the drawback about query string. But if you need to pass simple general values, if you want to pass, then you may use this query string concept, which is simple. And if you want to access these values only on that single page, then also you can use this query string concept. Also, if there is a gallery page in front of me, and if I click on a particular product, then that product's information we are showing on next page. So that product ID we can pass to the next page, where we need to access that product ID's information. So for select query, we need to give where clause and where product ID is equal to that previous page product ID we want to access on next page. At that time also we may pass that product ID from gallery page to product detail information page, and show that product information in detail format on that next page. So in this way we can use query string. Now product ID we can pass from one page to another page. There is no any security issue. So in that case we can use query string. So this is about query string. and how we can pass multiple values by using query string from one page to another, we have seen in this video. So in next video we see cookies and application variables. So see you in next video. Thank you.